How to log into GoDaddy account. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our future content. Today I'm going to show you how to log into your GoDaddy account, so let's get started. First off, for those who might not know, GoDaddy is a website where you can buy and sell domain names. It's a great platform for setting up your online presence. Now, if you got a domain name and you want to set up your hosting, you will need to log into your GoDaddy account. Alright, let's dive right into the login process. It's pretty simple. First, you need to open up your web browser. I'm using the Brave browser over here, but you can use any browser that you prefer. Now, in the search bar, you need to type www.godaddy.com and hit enter. Once you're in the GoDaddy homepage, look for the sign in button at the top right corner of the page. Click on that and you'll be taken to the login page. Now, here's where you need to enter your credentials. Type in your username or email address and then your password. If you have forgotten your password, don't worry, just click on Forgot Password. If you have forgotten your username, just click on Forgot Username and follow the instruction to reset it. After entering your details, click on Sign In button and just like that, you are logged into your GoDaddy account. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.